Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fayaz Academy. Please subscribe my channel and share my links with other family members and friends. Today is my topic verification of Faraday's law of electronic educations. First law, where the magnetic fields linked with a secret change and enough EMF is included in it. Appearance graviton bar management connection leads eliminated copper wire coil oil 100 trams and 1000 trams. Produce connect the galvanometer with oil 100 trams. Number two, enter and bowl for bar management into the oil and observe the deflection and polarity of bar management, not the reading into the observative table. Number three, stop the monetization of bar management in the oil and not the deflection and leading in the table. In the reading the table priority of government. Number five, repeated the practical by changing S people. As management move to the right, management field is changing which response to cool and voltage is included. Second law, the magnitude of the indicate EMF is conduct or coil is directly proportional of the rate of change of flux linkage. Produce cannot the galvanometer in series with the terminals of coils having under terms. Number two, move the mangent into the coil slowly and then pull it out from the oil soil. Number three, observe the deflection of meter needles in both cases. The recent the value of indicated voltage in the observation table. Number four, now take 2000 turn coil and repeat the practical. Observing table, serial number, copper coil connection, deflection of variation. Number 100 turns coil 5V, 10V. Number 2, 2000 turn coil 10V, 20V. For question number one, take and record calibration reading carefully. Number two, always use bar management having good management force. Number three, avoid to touch the bar management with the coil moving in the coil. Number four, all connection must be tight. Number five, always use the word coils of correct diameter and length in which bar management can move easily. Study of AC and DC generator. Generator is a machine which converts mechanical power or energy into electrical power or energy according to Faraday laws. When a conductor cut the magnetic flowers directly indicate EMF produced in it. The EMF case the current the flow connections circuit is closed. Basically, electric current is produced in a winding of the direction. In DC generation, it is converted into DC by temperature. It is the outer cover of the machine made of cast iron. It serves double purpose. Provides mechanical support for pole as well as mechanical protection. It carries the magnetic pole path produced by the pole. The coil, which consists of copper wire of size R value or the pole core and called fail oil or failed winding current in starting. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel and share my links with other family members and friends.